Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Belgrade on a sunny afternoon. A sunny, almost sunny, a rainy afternoon in Belgrade, Saturday, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. This is the situation in the traffic. Direction Gazela Bridge from Autokomanda. I don't know, this is started being insane, the traffic situation in Belgrade. Saturday afternoon, lunchtime, all these cars are in the streets. Don't really know anymore. Something has to be done, and quickly, because this, I don't know, consumes too many nerves, not to talk about gasoline pollution. I don't know. The only, let's say, normal traffic situation in Belgrade is sometimes August, let's say Sunday during the first 3 weeks of August, something like that. I mean, when most of the people are on holidays, and Sunday anyhow is a bit better than the rest days. Never mind, approaching slowly, but very slowly but surely at Gazela Bridge. The exit to Kneza Miloša is on our right, one of the main arteries of Belgrade. We see a collision on the opposite lane. Yep, not a considerable one, but still. This probably also has created additional traffic jam in the opposite lane. What we see on our right is the Belgrade waterfront construction site. The Galeria should be opened in a few days' time. I'm not really sure about the exact date. And I'll now show you, because what they just communicated in the news is that Belgrade Arena will be converted again into the COVID hospital, temporary COVID hospital. This is definitely the place with quite a number of, significant, let's say, covered space. So, but now I'm a bit afraid, because every time I went there, it was, during winter time and autumn and winter, it was a bit coldish. So I can understand that it was functioning that way during the spring and summer months. But not really sure how we are going to deal with the heating now during autumn and winter time. However, I guess they have a solution for that. Because anyhow, there are no big problem with this hole is that even during the good years, because of the vast capacity and vast maintenance cost, I believe it was not profitable. Only few banks are left in the old part of town. The above mentioned Combank, Commercial Bank. So now we are practically, Belgrade Arena is on our left, Stark Arena, and the other one is Eurobank, and few smaller banks, of course, but talking about the larger ones. This song is obviously very popular lately. Okay, the GTC house. Okay, pretty much that much for now. Talk to you soon again. Bye bye.